Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Once again I am back with one more topic, the miracles of the subconscious mind. So in our brain we have the three layers which are not visibly physically. So the first is conscious mind, unconscious mind and then the subconscious mind. In between the conscious mind and unconscious mind there is subconscious mind. Now let us see what is a conscious mind. Now, for example, now what I am doing, I am talking to you and you are watching the video. This is the conscious mind. We know what we are doing. Then what is unconscious mind? In the medical terms, we call it as a coma stage. We are present physically, but we don't know what is happening in our surroundings. That is unconscious mind. Now coming to our topic, subconscious mind. What is this subconscious mind? Subconscious mind is our inner mind, our inner thoughts. Our inner thoughts comes from our subconscious mind only. Let me explain you by taking one example. For example, we went to dinner to somebody's house. Then we appreciate them. Wow, your dishes are very tasty. But in our inner, we have one more inner thought. What tasty, it is not at all delicious. What we have praised, the delicious, that is the conscious mind. And what we thought inside, that is subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is nothing but our inner thought. So, one more example. When you are appreciating your friend for what thing he has done, we appreciate him. Wow, you have done a very good work, good thing, and we appreciate him. But inside, what we think, what great work he has done, I can also do. What is the greatness of that? So, that is the subconscious mind. Our inner thoughts are our inner thoughts comes from the subconscious mind. So whatever the thoughts we have in our subconscious mind, we are that. If we have the positive thoughts, our life will be positive. If we have the negative thoughts, our life have negative. Our life will be negative. So for example, if you think my life is very happy, I will be happy forever, whatever may be the reason. If you think like this in your subconscious mind, your life will be happy. You lead a very happy life. In the same way, if you think, oh, my life is full of problems, always I have a problem, I'm facing so many problems, my life is damn bad, my life is like this only, it will not change, it will never change, then your life will be miserable. So, whatever the seed you sow, we get the same plants. If you sow the apple seed, we'll get the apple plant. If you sow the apple seed, we'll not get the banana plant, no? Whatever the seed you sow, we get the same plant. If you sow the positive seeds, you get the positive results. If you sow the negative seeds, you get the negative results. So it is very much important to wake up our subconscious mind. So how to wake up our subconscious mind? This is possible through the meditation. Meditation is the best method to wake up our subconscious mind. When we meditate, we go into the other world which we don't know. There our thoughts come out. So if you think I want that job, definitely you achieve. If you think in your subconscious mind, I want to achieve certain job, definitely you will achieve. And from my personal experience, it has been proved. That's why I can say you 100% it is possible. Whatever you think in your subconscious mind, it will be possible 100%. So viewers, it is necessary to wake up our subconscious mind to achieve our goals, to reach our goal. So, wake up your subconscious mind, meditate a lot so that your subconscious mind wakes up and you reach your goals. So, I think you have liked this video. Please watch the video and comment on the video. Please, I want your encouragement to come up with the more topics. And thank you for watching the video.